Uongozi si cheo, si sifa, si nguvu ya mtu. Leadership is not a title, not fame, not human strength. It is a calling from above. Mtume wa Mungu kwa watu wake. Chosen not to rule, but to serve, not to shine, but to guide. Nilipoitwa sikujua njia, lakini sauti ya Mungu iliniongoza. Si kwa akili, si kwa nguvu, bali kwa Roho wake ninasimama. I didn't choose this path, it chose me through fire, through silence, through destiny. Not for glory, not for gain, but to carry His name through the pain. Uongozi unatoka kwa Mungu, anainua wanyenyekevu, anawapa hekima. Leadership comes from the throne above. He lifts the humble, He fills them with love. I saw the crowd, but He showed me the cross. I felt the weight, but He taught me the cost. To lead is to bleed, to serve is to reign, to walk in His will, through joy and through pain. If you lead without love, you misled. If you rise without grace, you fall without peace. True leadership kneels before it stands. It listens before it speaks. It dies to self before it dares to lead. Uongozi unatoka kwa Mungu, anachagua waliodharauliwa, anawapa mamlaka. Leadership flows from heaven's heart, chosen to serve it, set apart. Uongozi unatoka kwa Mungu, anainua wanyenyekevu, anawapa hekima. Leadership comes from the throne above. He lifts the humble, He fills them with love. Baba, niwe kiongozi wa kweli, mwenye moyo wa Kristo, mwenye roho wa unyenyekevu. Lead me so I might lead others to you.